good morning. This is Edte 676A. We are in week 2 of the Academy e-learning. This is our second share out.
Third cohort.
And the third cohort. What we'd like to share is that we really had, well, several epiphanies this week, but one thing that really struck us was that we realized we've gone from a static form of communication, i.e. postal service, where we would write letters back and forth, communicate via notes and paper, to now much more fluid and simultaneous, I think the word is synchronous, multimodalities, ways of communicating via our iPhones, our email, texting, and then all the different ways of communicating we've been introduced to this week. So what we realized, it's not a matter of what we're going to do, it's a matter of critically thinking and really focusing in on particular aspects that we can really use with effectively. So with that in mind, I'd like to turn to Chuck Sartman, who's going to explain about how we're going to use the online rubric.
Well, in keeping with that perspective, we have indeed reviewed, as you can see, the rubric for online instruction, all 6 categories. And we've decided to look at one area within each of those categories. And for example, 5C, the elements of multimedia instruction throughout the course. And Norma is going to speak about one of those in particular, the podcast, which we're going to incorporate in the course and really throughout the second semester of student teaching.
So just like Chuck said, we have decided that we're going to be using actually 2 assignments for our podcast, but one of them, which is the one that I'm going to talk about today, will be in small groups. Our students will be together in grade levels, and then they will choose a strategy, and after discussing it, then hopefully they'll be ready to apply it in the field. So they'll try it out in the classroom, and then they'll come back as a group and reflect on that, on how it went and what needs to be done, what worked, etc. And then they will do a podcast on that. So what this all means for us, as far as universal design for learning, is that it gives our students a universal access through authentic engagement, which is precisely the true focus of our redesign. Right?
That's right.
We'll see you for the week 3 report on.
That's right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.